Hello, whole class. In today's English lesson, we're going to be writing some sentences about this family of birds. Birds have been very busy over the spring, making nests, laying eggs, and looking after their young, their baby chicks. The pictures are not in the right order. So one of your jobs for this lesson is to think carefully about the order of the pictures and make sure that when you write your sentences, you're writing about the very first picture first. So we'll have another little think about that a bit later on. The picture I've chosen to show you a sentence about is this one to begin with, but remember, it is not in the right order. Here we can see two birds and a nest with three chicks in. And the birds have got something in their beak. So I've written, the adult birds are feeding the chicks. They have found some juicy worms. So I hope you've noticed my full stop at the end of my first sentence. Remember your capital letter and a full stop to finish my second sentence. I've also used the word juicy, an adjective to describe the worms. Okay, what picture did I see next? Oh yes, I chose this one next, and I can see that the eggs are beginning to hatch. So I've said the eggs are starting to hatch. And in that sentence there, I had to write the root word start and then add ing. And I didn't say the eggs is, I said the eggs are, because if there's more than one in English, we have to change is to are. The eggs are starting to hatch. There are 3 eggs in the nest. So another 2 sentences. This picture, this is interesting because the nest isn't even there. The birds haven't built their nest yet. This is what I wrote. I wrote one sentence, but it's a little bit longer. I said, the adult birds are finding twigs to build a nest so they can lay their eggs. This word here, there, looks a bit different because we can spell there in different ways. But because the eggs belong to the birds, we spell there like this. Now, what can we say about this picture? Let's have a think. Well, I can see that the chicks have actually grown up quite a lot, and I think they are ready to leave the nest and fly away. So I will say the chicks are now big and strong. The chicks are now big and strong. Capital letter. They are flying. They are flying away because they want to leave the nest. Okay, so 2 sentences there, one of them with using the word because to join those 2 ideas together. They are flying away because they want to leave the nest. Oh, and here are the eggs in the nest, and they haven't hatched yet, have they? So the eggs have been laid. There are 3 eggs in the nest. Maybe you can think about that sentence yourself. So today's job is to think which of these pictures should come first. So which of your sentences should come first in your writing? I'll give you a little bit of a clue. It's the one where the adults are busy building their nest. So I would like, and Miss Creaser would like, some lovely sentences to describe how the birds build their nest until their chicks are old enough to fly away. Don't forget to ask your grown-up to take a little photo and send it to us. We'd love to read your sentences. Bye for now.